मुद्दा उठाने के लिए जंतर मंतर पर पहुंच रहे हैं, युवाओं का साथ देने के लिए जंतर मंतर पर पहुंच रहे हैं, उनका हम तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं। हमारे बीच इस समय मौजूद है शैलजा मैम, इनको शैलजा टीचर के नाम से भी जाना जाता है, फॉर्मर हेल्थ मिनिस्टर ऑफ केरला। कोविड के दौरान केरला में जिस तरह से कोविड मैनेज किया गया, उनके लिए सीधे तौर पर क्रेडिट शैलजा मैम को जाता है। तो जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए शैलजा मैम का। एक बार फिर से जोरदार तालियां हो जाए शैलजा मैम के लिए। वी आर ऑनर्ड टू हैव यू हियर मैम।
Respected Rangchukji, my dear students, dear brothers and sisters, we are all here to express our solidarity to the strike by the CJP. It is to protect our education right. The central government is attacking the democratic rights of the people in India, especially the students and youths of India. When the Chief Justice of the court ridiculed, laughed at to the students and youth, calling them cockroaches and parasites, in the same name, that very name of cockroaches, you arranged a party called Cockroach Janata Party. And under the leadership of this party, the students, the Gen Z, is striking throughout India against the BJP central government, who is dismantling all the rights of the people in India. Here, the NEET examination, we all think that, we all urged to keep the accountability and the fairness of the examination. But what happened in India, that also became a trade to make profit. They are selling our Gen Z or the future of the Gen Z in India. We can't allow this. As a former health minister of Kerala, I can point one thing, that the central government is forcefully giving this NEET exam to the country. Formerly, in 2000 onwards, Kerala has a NEET exam similar to an exam, entrance exam called KEAM, Kerala Engineering, Architecture and Medical Examination. We were conducting that exam in a very good manner, without any loopholes, without leaking any papers. We were doing justice for the students in Kerala. But 2016 onwards, central government asked us to adopt the NEET exam. While I was minister there, I wrote a letter to central government. No, we can't trust you. We will conduct the examination as our own. Our Kerala entrance examination scheme is very perfect manner. We will continue the examination in Kerala. Don't compel us to join in NEET. 2 years due to the court case, etc. We get some time to implement this NEET examination. But 2019 onwards, they compelled us, central government, to adopt the NEET exam. And they didn't